Hey everyone, it's Brava Chef Erin here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a custom cook using a custom cook template, specifically for baking. And I'm going to do this while making some brownies to show you exactly how it's done. So if you have a favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe or a family brownie recipe, any baking recipe, you can use this template to save it onto your Brava or to share it with our community. Okay, so to start, I'm going to open up our Brava app here, and I'm going into search, and then I'm going to click on custom cooks, select all, and then just search for our custom cook template for baking. But since I already downloaded this wouldn't be necessary for me. So I'm going to go into my profile, and here it is. So I already have this up, and if I wanted to get this up on my Brava itself, I would just enter the key onto my Brava, or I would click the plus sign that would be here if you hadn't yet downloaded it to add it to your downloaded custom cooks. And you can do this either on the Brava app or on the website. Okay, so now we're going to pull this up on the Brava by going into our custom cook tile. And you see that key that I showed you earlier, you just enter it right here. Or you'd be able to find it if you plus the plus sign by going to downloads, and that would be at the bottom of your custom cooks. Apologies, I do have a lot of custom cooks on my Brava, and it would be right here for you under your downloaded custom cooks. But since this was my template, it's not under my download custom cooks, so I'll find it within my custom cooks. Cool. So here we go, custom cook template baking. I'm just going to click into that. And now we want to click these upper 3 dots here. And we're going to click copy because you're not going to be able to directly edit this template. You're going to need to make a copy in order to make edits. So now this won't be a template anymore because I'm going to be making brownies today. So I'm going to call this Erin's Brownies. Awesome. So now I have a custom cook here, and now I'm going to enter which pan I would like to use. So I'm going to click into top, and I know I'm going to use the square pan, so I'm going to click square pan. And then you don't necessarily need to do this, but I would advise doing so. So I'm going to put brownie batter because that's what's going in our pan. Click the check mark. And now from here, you can edit your baking time and temperature, and also your preheat temperature. See, we have 350, and we also have bake at 350. Today, I will be baking at 350, so I'm not going to change that, but we're going to select the bake at 350. We're going to click edit. And then if you were baking at a different temperature, you would simply just move this to whatever temperature you would like to bake at. And then I'm going to change our time. So instead of 20 minutes, I'm going to move this up to 38 minutes, and then I'm going to click on the check mark to save this. And there we go. This is my procedure for my brownies. And I also wanted to show you guys that even though I'm not changing this preheat step, I'm going to show you really quickly. So if you wanted to change your temperature here, you'd easily do that here. And then you always want to make sure you select this pause after preheat step so that your Brava will automatically pause to tell you when you should put whatever you're baking inside of Brava. Okay, so now I've got my brownie batter prepared here. So let's start our custom cook, start preheating this. So we're gonna click start and press the green button to preheat the Brava. And while Brava's preheating, let's just assemble our pan here. So I greased our square pan. I'm gonna add my brownie batter. Oh, look at that, it's got all the good chocolate chips in it. Oh, can't wait. Okay, so our Brava's preheated, so let's just add our brownies. Slide that right into the top shelf. Press the green button to bake. Okay, so it looks like our brownies are done. Ooh, look at these. Look at how great that looks. I'm gonna let these cool for a bit. And in the meantime, I'm gonna show you how to edit the recipe on the app. Okay, so the last thing we need to do here is fill out our recipe instructions for our custom cook. So I'm gonna go into my profile either on the Brava app or on the website, click on Created Custom Cooks, and it's going to be all the way at the bottom since it's my latest custom cook. So I'm gonna click into Erin's Brownies or whatever you have created, and then you are gonna click on Edit here, and you can upload whatever photo you wanna use and then edit the instructions below. So all you're really going to do is delete everything above the dashed line here, all these instructions for how to create this custom cook, and then you're gonna fill out all of the things below the dashed line. So what is your custom cook? A description, the ingredients you need, and recipe instructions. And then if you'd like to share this with others, all you need to do is click here, and you would click on publish, and then that would make this key available for others to download. And that's all you need to do. So there you have it, how to create a custom cook using a custom cook template. Thanks, guys.